Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on your computer. First, you'll need to download the Epic Games launcher from their official website. Once downloaded, install it and then either create a new Epic Games account or log in with an existing one. After logging in, navigate to the store or library section within the launcher, find Fortnite, and click to install the game. This process usually takes a few minutes, depending on your internet speed and computer specifications. To ensure a smooth experience, your computer should meet Fortnite's system requirements. For minimum play, you'll need an Intel Core i3 processor, 4 GB of RAM, and an Intel HD 4000 graphics card. For the best performance, aim for an Intel Core i7 processor, 16 GB of RAM, and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3000 series or equivalent. Checking these specifications beforehand can prevent performance issues and enhance your gameplay. Fortnite's core gameplay involves three main mechanics: movement, shooting, and building. You'll use the W, A, S, D keys for movement, your mouse to aim and shoot, and various hotkeys to switch between weapons and building pieces. Mastering building is crucial for defense and gaining high ground during intense firefights. Practice these controls in the game's creative mode to become more proficient before jumping into battle royale matches. For new players, a few tips can significantly improve your early game. Always try to land in less populated areas to gather loot safely. Prioritize finding shields and healing items, as these are vital for survival. Don't be afraid to experiment with different weapon types to find what suits your playstyle best. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep playing and learning from each match to become a true Fortnite champion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.